Today we're going to be unboxing the Lumix S9, but not just any, guys. I haven't seen a single video on the internet about this colorway. This colorway is the orange colorway. You can only get it in the Asia region. This is the international colorway. All right, let's get into it. Yeah, I'm so fucking excited, bro. I'm like a little kid. Man, dude. I don't even want to see anything else yet. By the way, I also got the SmallRig grip right here. Also the orange, just to match with it. Limited edition as well. I'm gonna put that on in a second. This is so sexy. Look at this, bro. This thing is beautiful. Oh my God. Bro, look at the back. Look at the back. This thing is crazy, bro. So first things first, I do feel the sensor moving. I would assume that's a stabilization. I do hear the battery spring fiddling around, which is fine. The build quality could have been better, in my opinion. I think it should have costed like maybe $1,200, but that doesn't disregard how potential this camera is, from what I've seen anyways, which I'll be doing more videos about it very soon. The retro looking lens to match with it, 18-40. It is very tiny. The only thing is that in order to use it and activate it, you have to extend it. Other than that, it's pretty small, I would say, and lightweight. By the way, Sony shooter. I've not once owned a Lumix camera. My friend Alberto definitely convinced me to get into the Lumix system, specifically this camera. Let's put this thing in. Left? Opens left? Okay. Dude, I'm scared. I'm new to this. I don't want to break it. Every camera system is different. Dude, all right, this is what it looks like. It looks beautiful, right? Extended to the 18 mil, all the way to 40. So it goes in and out. It doesn't go past that, honestly. I will say the grip, it's interesting. It's not the most comfortable, but it's not the worst either. Kind of have to get used to it. I'm used to a deep grip coming from a Sony a7 IV and a7S III, but honestly, it's not bad. All right, let's turn it on. Please rotate the zoom ring to extend lens, okay? And we've got some color. Oh, dude, did you hear that? Oh my God, bro, this sounds so beautiful. I don't even know what to expect. I don't know how to work this, but yeah, that's that. Now this is the real one. This is the real one. Let's put this to the side. This is what I've been waiting for. To match it, baby. And I love how SmallRig. I don't know why I keep saying small grip. I want to combine the two. But SmallRig always comes with its own little key. And this feels way better. Look how beautiful this looks. This looks insane. Look at the bottom. My goodness. Now it looks complete. Thoughts?
My thoughts? That looks great. I just need to touch it.
Here?
See it 1 second. Yeah.
Feel free. Be my guest. I want to hear your impression.
I do want to see how it feels without the grip, so I can have that opinion. But yeah, with the grip, this is amazing, bro. Nah, you're crazy. I get what you're saying with like the build quality, but nah, this feels good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really good.
Like, yeah, like this is like plastic for sure.
Right.
Like,
it doesn't change the fact that it's a great camera. Correct. I'm okay with it. I'm completely okay.
This looks amazing.
Yeah, it does look amazing. I'm literally in love with this camera. I'm literally, guys, you know how people record? I know, right? You know how people record Instagram stories with their phone? No, I'm literally replacing my phones for this camera. I'm not even joking. To record stories, Instagram posts, literally anything. And if you're interested in knowing as to why, watch the next video because I will teach you and show you why you should get this camera. Super underrated. So yeah, I really like this camera. And mind you, first impressions, first everything. I literally just got it. Just opened it. Dude,
what's the over? 18?
18. This is perfect for vlogging, literally anything. Even if you wanted to do, thanks to the small grip, not sponsored by the way, not by Lumix or not by Small Grip, just saying. Dude, this is perfect. I can literally take a selfie like this. And it looks great, bro. It literally looks great. Yeah, I personally don't care. Honestly, I have an A7S III and I have an A7 IV. Said it a bunch of times now in this video, but I don't ever use the EVF if I'm being honest with you, unless I'm like at a beach or something somewhere really bright. But I don't care for the EVF. I don't care for the other jacks that is missing or full HDMI. I really don't care. So this has been my conclusion in my review of the Panasonic S9 with the 18-40, the orange and international colorway that you can only get in the Asia region. I will try my best, no promises, to put the link under the description of where I got it from, which was Amazon, surprisingly. If you guys want to see more videos on the international colorway and real life case scenarios, stay tuned because I will be posting like 6 more videos, guys. I promise you. I got a lot to show you guys about this camera because it's very underrated and I feel like a lot of people are not giving it as much praise as it deserves. But yeah, that's been it. Catch you guys in the next one.